Hey friends, welcome to very snowy Kyiv and welcome to my kitchen. I'm in Ukraine and I am going to try to cook Ukrainian food with some friends of mine. I'm expecting them here in just a minute. Hi. This is Sasha and Alla and Igor, and they are expert Ukrainian cooks, and they've come to help me cook Vareniki. Am I saying it?
50% experts.
50% experts. Experts at English. So welcome, guys.
Hi.
Hey. We're going to sit down and talk about the recipe. And
we need to decide what to buy.
Yeah, and then we'll go shopping.
Yeah.
And then we'll start cooking.
Yeah.
And finally we'll eat.
Oh yeah.
And maybe we'll drink.
It's
Okay.
Ukraine. A small Ukrainian dessert for you. We don't know if you tried it, but I think we will split it now. And,
Okay, we should eat it now?
I think yes.
And then,
before we drink, we should try it.
Okay.
To understand better all the taste. I remember when you come to Poltava, we cooked two traditional Ukrainian cakes. It was Napoleon and Medovik.
Yeah.
Honey cake and Napoleon cake.
and the Zephyr. Zephyr.
Yeah?
Marshmallow.
10 years ago, we met the first time.
10 years ago.
January 15th.
It's like the anniversary of your
And the
meeting.
weather was totally the same.
It's crazy snow.
Huge snow. So we will celebrate today with Vareniki
That's awesome.
and with you.
You want a spoon or fork? Because I don't have four forks.
No matter.
Okay.
Это птичье молоко.
It can be eaten with hands.
Yeah.
It's like marshmallow, zephyr.
Yeah, something like this, but it's called bird milk in
Okay.
Ukraine.
I'm gonna try it. Later I'll get the actual name in Cyrillic and in Latin, and I'll put it in the video comments so people can see what we're eating.
Yeah.
It's like sweet marshmallow, but it's not as chewy as like a normal marshmallow. It's softer, and it's got this chocolate. This looks, I mean, the top looks fancy.
It's from the marshmallow family, but
Yeah, but it's softer. It's not chewy like a, you know.
it's something between in the middle between marshmallow and Ukrainian zephyr. It's something.
It's more moist too. It's not like dry.
Like mix
Yeah.
marshmallow and zephyr.
Is the taste of our children, no? Ну, типа нашего детства.
Childhood.
Ой,
Yeah.
childhood. Скажи, вкус
Yeah,
нашего
it
детства.
was in our childhood in Ukraine. We didn't have a lot of different stuff, different very tasty things
Yeah.
like now. And this cake was on every holiday table.
Yeah.
So it was very popular.
Yeah.
It's you buy these waffles
Yeah.
and just
Consendo milk.
Okay, and you make layer and layer and layer.
layer and layer, yeah,
Okay.
with boiled condensed milk.
What is there something else, or is it just condensed milk?
Condensed milk and
Is there-
waffles.
Не,
What's this? It looks like some sort of sauce in there.
It's boiled condensed.
So it turns dark, like it's.
Boiled,
Ну,
вареное.
Consolidant milk. Ну,
Condensed.
чи condensed, no.
Condensed это сгущенное, а вареное boiled condensed.
boiled.
Okay.
No, not like we have a condensed milk,
Yeah.
then boil it for 2 hours in.
And it
jar.
gets thick and brown.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's started to be like a caramel.
Did you make this one, or you bought this one?
No, we bought.
Okay, but you know how to make this.
We didn't have time.
We're gonna make. I can't spell it. It's Vareniki,
Yeah.
which is a dumpling that kind of looks. This is my terrible art. No, it's like a dumpling. It's, you know what I.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
kind of like that, and it's got meat inside.
What vareniki do you like? When water boiled, it
Yeah,
has
steam.
Steam. Oh yeah.
Okay,
Steamed or boiled.
I don't
Two
know.
different ways.
Не знаю.
Boiled, it's they are more like tidy or something. Like
Okay,
that. And steamed,
Correct.
it's more fluffy.
okay. Which do you prefer?
То ми і то любимо.
Both.
Okay. I don't know if we have
Try to do.
if we have the stuff to make it steamed. I don't know.
You can buy it
Okay.
about 5 or 6 hryvnias in pharmacy.
Тогда кефир.
You can speak in English, actually.
Мне надо расслабиться.
Lazy.
Не, мне надо выпить, чтобы расслабиться.
Oh, she need to drink. To
Okay.
relax and speak.
We'll get to
and then
that.
she'll speak Spanish, French, anyway.
Okay. But for the list, what should we put on this list?
Кефир.
Kefir.
Kefir.
It's a kefir.
I don't know. How do you spell
Just
it?
write kefir.
How do I spell it?
K
Вот.
Okay.
E
Подожди.
F I R.
Okay.
Kefir.
Okay.
In
And then
States, you can find on a shelf.
I'm going to look for it. We're going to make this at home too. So what's next?
Сода.
Soda.
Soda, like baking soda?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ну, можем разрыхлитель взять. Там же сода.
Ну, я никогда не пробовала.
Ну, уксус мы не будем брать.
Разрыхлитель по цене соды.
What else?
Flour.
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 What else?
Ну, соль, сахар, sugar
Meat.
and salt.
Meat, is it like ground beef or what are we going to use?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ground, but not or beef or pork or
Okay.
mixed.
Beef
Yeah,
or
usually
pork.
they mix it.
Okay. They sell it mixed or we have to buy some of
They
each?
sell mixed
Okay. What else?
А есть соль, сахар?
meat.
Чтобы добавить.
Salt and sugar, yeah?
Yeah.
Salt.
I think there's
Oh,
some
yeah, I think-
salt, but there's no sugar.
3 types of salt.
We can buy some sugar. It's fine.
Что это? Может, то сода, нет?
Soda!
We have it, but is it okay? Is it enough? Is it good?
Кстати, да, ну попробуй.
That is awesome.
Она такая.
This is awesome. Sasha drew a house.
Oh, yeah. Сода?
No.
Yeah, сода.
So we have soda.
Сода.
Okay, we're crossing one thing off the list.
Еще надо сметана. Sour, да, или как будет?
Sour cream?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my favorite. No, we can't make this without sour cream.
Out of that, like really homemade sour cream in молочник. Well, that's where we buy this.
Ну, после.
I think we should have some butter. I think that's all. Yeah, we can buy
Не доходит.
some
или что?
small package of pelmeni, I told you.
Yeah.
It's like Vareniki by pelmeni and cook it on a frying pan.
Okay.
It will be fried.
What cooking equipment do we need to make this?
А марля есть?
This.
Just-
Да не, нету, возьму.
So we
This
need.
one
Okay.
and frying pan.
Is there a frying pan in there? Oh.
And if we need to
Okay.
boil a little more.
So this is everything we need right
do
here.
One more. She always makes vareniki with beautiful like this corner. Like.
Okay. You do that with a fork or something else? I guess we'll find out.
No.
Oh, just with hands.
Only a finger.
Okay. Should we go shopping?
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Okay.
think yeah.
Let's try this store, and if it doesn't have what we need, we can go to La Silpo, right?
No, le.
No,
A little bit far. Behind the le silko. We don't need that le. It's exactly the same, but almost the same stuff. Андрей сейчас снимать. Sasha wanna run with you.
Okay, let's run to the supermarket. Okay, let's stop. And now we'll wait for your parents. I'm gonna be too tired to cook if I keep following Sasha. Oh, I need a mask.
Okay.
Сюда?
Okay, to the right is food. This is food side.
I think we should do the same.
They don't have what we need.
So if meat should lay there for maximum 2 days, for example, it can lay 10 days and they will sell it, and then they'll cut it add some spices.
Okay. I understand.
Some seed spices, sauces, and buy and sell it like a shashlik.
That's my apartment
do you wanna
up there. I just thought people should. That's where we're cooking, right there where the lights are on. That I should have turned off. So I'm sorry, Planet, but we'll be back in 30 minutes, I hope.
But it's waiting for us.
Yeah.
Do not lost.
We were making the joke about La Silpo, but if people are from the U.S., La Silpo is like a normal Ukrainian, like everyday grocery store, right? It's like Silpo is like regular grocery store for ordinary people, and La Silpo is like, in the U.S. we have Whole Foods, which is like a really expensive, fancy grocery store where everything is
with more service.
Then they have all these foreign products, and they have all these people there that are like happy to help you.
And can be some the same goods cost twice, triple price from the regular store.
So it's anniversary of your meeting and first video for this channel, which is
worth filming.
Yes. So this is not a city tour channel, but this is Kreshchatyk Street, which is kind of one of the main avenues in Kyiv. And over here by McDonald's is the metro station.
Zoom, it's in every city there is a Zoom.
Okay.
Zoom is central.
Okay.
Univermag, it's a shop of the city, Mista.
Okay.
Zoom. Центральный универмаг Mista, central shop in the city.
But this one's selling all kinds of expensive designer goods.
Yeah. But it's only Kyiv Zoom, I think, because in other cities Zoom it's not the best shop in the city. Here we are.
Yeah.
Here's La Silpa.
Yeah.
And a little bit and regular Silpa.
Okay. So we're not actually shopping here, but we're underground to move through this big intersection.
Yeah.
And then we're going to pop back up and find the grocery store. I didn't even know there was a exit to here. I know I've been here. I didn't know there was an exit here. That's good. I can't snap that good. Well, a little bit.
But Sasha sometimes make it more better
Louder.
than me. Oh, and they're regular.
Yeah, U.S.
Me too.
Are you?
I'm originally from Minnesota. What brings you over here?
Well, I'm just traveling. I'm with my friends here, and we're going to cook some Ukrainian Vareniki. Do you know this dish?
Yes, of course I do. I've been here 10 times. I've moved here now. Are you here now? Or?
No, I'm just here I'm actually tomorrow. I think I'm going to Azerbaijan, but
I see what you
but I haven't bought a ticket yet. Yeah, you too. I appreciate it. Oh, there it is. We want a big cart
I think better.
for Sasha.
Do not hold it
Yeah.
time in can. Salty, yeah.
Are we getting cabbage or no?
Oh no, with cabbage it's
Okay.
a long
Okay.
process. To fry cabbage. with
Oh,
different stuff,
onion,
with,
okay.
Carrot, with onion.
Okay.
No.
No, vas.
Точно.
620 багато?
We need sour cream.
Yeah, sour cream and I want some cheese
Okay.
for a bread. This one we will buy in a shop near you.
Okay.
Like homemade sour cream.
Okay.
It's better. You told about coffee after what?
We don't need coffee yet. We're just going to do vodka.
What do we do?
Well, we want some Ukrainian vodka. What's the best Ukrainian vodka?
Oh, it's hard. I don't know.
What's a good Ukrainian vodka? Let's go by price. What about?
It's yeah, because that's rather.
It's a good one.
I drank, yeah.
This one or something? This one must be good.
Classical carbon. Carbon. I don't need carbon.
Okay. Let's go with that one.
It's pretty
Yeah.
I've tried, but it's the same.
Oh, this one's fine. I don't care.
It's the same.
No, let's.
You can buy this. Это Саша закрывать не умеет, когда кофе. Да. А в чем проблема с маслом?
With card? Do we need to buy a bag?
No.
No.
We're in.
So we also stopped at this store, which my friend said was like a farm fresh store, where we bought sour cream, we bought some meats for a snack, we bought some other dumplings for a snack, and then we stopped at this pharmacy where we bought medical gauze. Okay, we're making a pit stop here. Sasha gets to have treat day, so he wants milkshake.
Нет, спасибо.
Все.
This is Ukrainian style right here. He's like, we don't need to buy sugar. We just go get.
But if we need,
We have.